Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you post a product on Facebook Marketplace. To post a product in Facebook Marketplace, you need to log into your Facebook account. So what here you need to do is first of all open the Facebook app. This is how it's going to look. So what next you want to do is you want to click on the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and here you want to go ahead and click on the Marketplace. As you go to Marketplace, click on Sell. Then you want to go ahead and create a listing. So select what is it. I'm going to go for items. As you go for items, then you want to click on the add button or add photo button first of all, so that you could post about the product and then give a title, price, category, condition, description, all sort of things. Once you've actually done with that procedure, go through the locations and all that as well, and click on the publish button. As you've actually done this, or when you've posted this, you'll have successfully seen a post or product on Facebook, and that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.